Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you two remedies for alopecia. So the first product you are going to be needing here is sandalwood. Sandalwood prevents hair loss by strengthening hair roots for healthier growth. It is also very beneficial to the hair due to its anti-dandruff properties, which helps to smooth sensitive scalp and prevent flaking. Also, sandalwood is known for its quick and amazing hair growth result within 6 days. The second product we are going to be using is rosemary. Study has it that rosemary stimulates scalp circulation. It also prevents hair follicles from being starved of blood supplies. The next product we are going to be using is thyme. This is a very wonderful hair growth product because it delivers powerful nutrients to the hair follicles that are necessary for healthy hair growth. Also, I will be adding lavender oil. It is good for stimulating hair growth, fighting dandruff and other scalp infections. I'll just go ahead to add some preservative to give this a very good shelf life. When everything is put together nicely, I will add some water, then save this for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is what everything is looking like. I changed it into another jar because this was very convenient for me to save it for 24 hours. So I will just go ahead to sieve everything, then put this into my spray bottle. Do not go away, guys, because I am going to be showing you how this is being used, and I am going to be showing you what this has done to my hair. What I love about this treatment is that it is very cost effective and it has a very good shelf life, although it is a DIY. You can save this for up to 6 months and you can use this 3 times a week. For proper result, I advise you to use this 3 times a week. I don't wash it out. I know you might be wondering, what does this smells like? To me, it smells so herbal, and the smell doesn't even last. The moment you apply it into your hair, couple of minutes, everything is gone. I mean, as in gone. When I am done doing the hairspray, I will just move ahead to show you how you can do the hair growth oil. All the measurements are pretty the same, but I will be substituting water for olive oil and sweet almond oil. All these treatments put together are very beneficial when you are experiencing hair loss, retired hair, and you want to take in your hair. Now, if you have been watching me to this part of the video, do not leave without subscribing to my channel and turning on your post notification so that each time I upload a video, you are going to be notified. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. is what my hairline is looking like. It was completely bald. I mean bald. I have been using this treatment for about 3 months now, and it is growing. You can see I was unable to braid the front line of my hair because it is very short and it is in the recovery process. So I will just go ahead to spray everything, then I will apply the hair oil. So thank you very much, and we have come to the end of this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down, and I will see you again onto my next video. Thanks for watching.